A lot of people know that investing is a way to get money, but many do not know how investing can help them save money too. This episode will provide some useful information about what can be bought to save money. Continue to watch to find out more. When you invest in something such as a company or an index fund, you are putting money into a business that would pay you back with interest. For example, if you invested $100 in Google at the beginning of the year and they made $100 profit, then they would give you $100 interest. This is called compound interest. Compound interest means the interest earned on savings that is computed using both the starting principal and total interest earned over time. It's one of the greatest ways to save money. Investing in a house can help you save thousands of naira over time by reducing your monthly payments each month. You might also be able to get a loan against this investment property so you can use it as a collateral for a new car or home loan. Investing in stocks can help you earn higher returns than other investments like bonds because stocks are more volatile than bonds, which means that when things go well for stocks, like during bull markets, investors tend to make more money since their portfolios rise faster than their expenses do. Do you know investing in gold, silver, and other precious metals is also one of the best ways to save money? Needless to say, buying gold or silver requires a significant investment, but it is well worth it if you can afford it. This is the reason why this product has been used as currencies for thousands of years. Gold has been used as money since biblical times, while silver has been used throughout history as well as today. If you have a long-term investment goal in mind, then buying gold and silver may be your best bet. Just make sure that you stay on top of the market trends so that you don't miss out on any opportunities. Investing in a good coffee maker can save you a lot of money in the long run. If you drink coffee every day, buying beans and grinding them yourself will save you a lot of money compared to buying coffee from a cafe. Investing in a good quality reusable water bottle will save you money in the long run. You'll be able to save money on buying bottled water and you'll be doing your part to reduce plastic waste. Programmable thermostats can help you save money on your energy bill by allowing you to set a schedule for when your heater or air conditioning should be turned on. A good set of knives can last a lifetime and make cooking at home much easier. A cast iron skillet is a versatile kitchen tool. It is a wonderfully versatile piece of cookware capable of doing everything from searing meats to baking fluffy cornbread. A cast iron skillet retains heat exceptionally. It develops a bronze color gradually over time. And lastly, also consider investing in businesses that have low overhead costs and high profits, such as internet-based businesses. And this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll see you in our next video.